So this specimen is an excellent Vanadinite specimen. And so before the past few decades, most Vanadinites came out of, other places outside of Africa. But when they found the ones in Morocco, like this one here, they discovered that these crystals were huge for the species. And since then, Morocco has really become the defining locality for Vanadinite. And these crystals, as you can see, are highly lustrous and have this beautiful deep red color. And they are very, very chunky. And of course, it's all presented very nicely on top of this light matrix to offer a little bit of contrast. A 3D video for a piece like this is really great just because of the luster.
Yeah, this basically looks like its own ecosystem.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
It's very sculptural.